Alright guys, once again back for another POV video, but this one has purpose to it. This one is to show you how terrible my new exhaust sounds and to tell you that I'm building a 3-inch test pipe back exhaust because this doesn't sound good. I'll show you guys when we get on the highway how bad it really is. I'm just gonna let you guys know, don't buy cheap mufflers. It does not sound good at all. I also did not turn my VDC on or off. So, you hear that? It's so bad. When it's on cruise, it's not that terrible. Like, you can't even hear the car right now. Yes, my steering wheel's sideways as hell too. We had to take my steering shaft out. So, she's a little sideways. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. I feel like that is too fast, but when it's not on, it's obviously too slow. Whatever. I can't tell what's rattling. Oh, it's my keys. There's a lot of vibration that goes through this car since those headers. Should be getting an alignment soon, and then from there it's gonna get the exhaust built, which will sound really good. We're gonna do a 3-inch all the way out the back with one resonator, and then we're just gonna have a tip. It's not gonna be a muffler, it's gonna be a tip. So I still want the car to be loud, but this crappy muffler ruins it. It just absolutely ruins the entire sound of the car. So, don't mind me. Like I said, every single time I record, I yawn. But, it definitely needs to be changed. I can't stand it. It's been done since Saturday, and today's Monday, and I hate it so much. Terrible. It's absolutely terrible. So, I do not recommend buying a cheap eBay muffler. Just don't do it. They're just crap. They sound like shit. It looks pretty cool on the back, I will be honest, but it does not sound good at all. That's what that rattle is that you guys are hearing, because we started this car open test pipe, so I know for a fact that it's not the headers or test pipes. And my old exhaust didn't rattle before, so I don't know. We'll figure it out. I know that I have this whole cat back up for sale. If anyone's interested, let me know. If you're in the Omaha, Columbus, North Bend, Fremont, Schuyler area, I'm selling it for 120 bucks, which there's more than 120 bucks in piping and what I spent on it. So, I'd say it's a pretty good deal. But let me know if anyone is interested. I'll personal message you guys, DM you if you comment down below. But yeah, she does not sound good. I'm sure on a stock, like with stock cats, yeah, I can't take it. It's really bad. It sounds like absolute garbage. I need windshield wipers. I found out my oil pressure switch is broken. It's a big ordeal, but it is what it is. I'll figure it out. As long as you drive it under 3,000 RPM, the car sounds good. Somewhat. Better than it normally does. But I'm on the way right now to pick up my girlfriend some flowers because she's great. And then also go put some money in the bank so that I can buy the rest of my exhaust, because we are going, okay, we are going full 3-inch besides the test pipes. Test pipes are 2.5. But yeah, from test pipes back will be 3-inch all the way out to a 4-inch tip, which will kind of be that smoked titanium neochrome look. I'm not the biggest fan of those, but I'm okay with it. I think it'll fit this car well. But I don't want to do any, god damn, I don't want to do any dual tips or anything like that. We're gonna do one big old single, Subaru, but we're gonna do one big old single out the back, and then with a resonator. It needs a resonator because something's got to quiet it down a little bit. But for the most part, it sounded pretty good before we put the muffler on. So either if this catback doesn't sell, then I'll chop the muffler and it'll sound good. So it is what it is. I mean, what can you do, right? As long as I drive the car really nicely, it's not that bad. But that's only if I drive it really nicely and I don't let that exhaust sing. Because when I let it get that rattle and crap, it sounds so dumb. Subaru. Wonder if he wants the Applebee's. I would like to run bone stock HR G35 and see if I can not get 47 cars put on me. But there's no telling, you know. I don't know. I don't know how many cars I would get put on me. I know that when this car was stock, when all I had was my muffler delete, this thing would have never, ever even gotten within the same realm as an HR G35. But now that the car is pretty much full bolt on, it does need a tune still, but it's plenum spacer, intake, headers, test pipe, and it's got a full exhaust out from the test pipes back. And then I do have lighter wheels than stock too, and obviously I have weight reduction, you know? It's like 6,000 pounds right there. That's gonna win me all the races. But yeah, this car should, in theory, I haven't given you guys the side-by-side yet, which I will, but this car should, in theory, be significantly faster with this more airflow. And the plenum spacer is actually hooked up properly now, because before I broke a bolt and we had to take those, I am so sorry, we had to take those studs out because the studs didn't reach, so I unscrewed them and replaced those with bolts. So no more vacuum leak. And then I also, the bottom portion of my intake, which we did find out was loose, so it was not sucking any air from the actual intake. It was all just a big leak right there. So the car is a million times better, other than the shit sounding exhaust. We do need to fix that, and I will fix that ASAP. But for now, it's gonna stay. I'm gonna try and sell the whole thing as a whole for 120 bucks, which will make me the majority of my money back from the full 3-inch we're doing, because that's gonna be less than $200, resonator, everything. So listen to this. Black. But it will be good. I'll take you guys along for another exhaust video, because the exhaust video should be up before this one. So you guys will have already seen me do the full exhaust on this car. I did sell my cats already. I did not sell them for as much as I would have liked, but it is what it is. They were pretty broken on the inside. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to take you for my entire drive home. You guys have seen it 6,000 times. So I'm at Hy-Vee, if you guys can see, and I'm going to get my wonderful girlfriend some flowers, and then start uploading my videos, because I haven't uploaded in a few days, I don't think. Maybe I uploaded yesterday, but it's only been a short, and I don't like uploading those shorts constantly. They feel like fillers, but I gave you guys a little teaser as to what the open test pipe sounded like. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, 10% off store-wide at wickedlyboosted.com using code BLUETIP10. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.